In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Canva design to Messenger. Sharing your Canva work directly to Messenger is a quick way to show your designs to friends, clients, or teammates without having to download and re-upload files. I'll walk you through the process step by step, keeping it simple and easy to follow so you can start sending your designs in just a few clicks. First, open Canva and make sure you have the design you want to share on your screen. This could be anything you've created, like a social media post, a flyer, a presentation slide, or a personal project. Take a quick look to confirm you're happy with how it looks, because whatever you send through Messenger is what the other person will see. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the Canva editor. Up there, you'll see a button labeled Share. This is your main control for sending your design to other platforms. Go ahead and click on that Share button. When you do, Canva will open a panel or menu with different options for sharing and exporting your work. Inside this Share menu, you'll see several choices like downloading, presenting, or sending a link. What you're looking for here is the Messenger option. Depending on your Canva layout and any recent updates, it may appear under social or messaging apps or in a list of connected services. Scroll through the available options and look for the Messenger icon or the word Messenger. Once you find Messenger, select it. At this stage, Canva may ask you to sign in or connect your Messenger account if you haven't already done so. Just follow the on-screen prompts to give Canva permission to share to your Messenger. This usually only needs to be done once. After Messenger is connected, Canva will let you choose who you want to send the design to. You can typically search for a contact name, choose a conversation, or select a group chat. Take a moment to make sure you've picked the correct person or group, and optionally add a short message to explain what the design is about. Finally, confirm or click send. Canva will process your design and deliver it directly into the chosen Messenger conversation. You can then open Messenger to double check that everything looks right. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Canva design to Messenger using the share button in the top right and selecting the Messenger option from the menu.